I'm definitely feeling the wind on the back of my neck, and as I look at the American flag rising high above this fire company, I can tell you it's flapping in the breeze. It's going pretty good, and the ground is exceptionally dry, and of course the humidity is way down. I've been told that the fire danger today is even worse than last Friday when a red flag alert was also in place. A windsock was standing straight out when we drove by this farmer's field in York County. Some wind gusts are 25 to 30 miles an hour. When you combine the wind with low humidity and extreme dry conditions, it is a recipe for a wildfire.
There should be no burning at all when we're under conditions like today.
A burn ban is in effect for all of York County. Other communities have also enacted burn bans.
At least half, if not two-thirds, of the state of Pennsylvania and down into northern Maryland are feeling the same conditions we are today.
Many fire companies now on alert. Dunham says the public has to be too.
People need to be attentive. They need to pay attention to what's going on.
Now, Littlestown is one of the latest communities to impose a burn ban. And even though this red flag alert is scheduled to expire close to 6 o'clock, you still got to be on the alert for the conditions that are clearly creating a fire hazard. In York County, Ed Weinstock, WGAL News 8.